Halt. Authorization documents ready. Proceed one by one.
You use it every day. You've never seen this. Aj factory flow. Inside the 500 rupee, raw cotton, crushed, pulped, washed, bleached, the watermark appears while the paper is still wet. This is where every 500 rupee note begins. Offset printing, stone grey, then intaglio, 200 tons. The ink rises, Mahatma Gandhi's portrait. You can feel it, the red fort on the other side. Counterfeiters can't copy. Hologram, microtext, UV fibers. Every note gets a unique number. Cut, count, bundle, 10,000 notes. One brick, 50 lakh rupees. Tamper evidence seal. Armored truck, Urbi vault. From the factory to the market, Kari Baule, Chandni Chowk,
सभी
Delhi
कर्मचारियों का
Metro.
ध्यान दें,
From
प्रक्रिया
raw
पूरी हो
cotton
गई है। सुरक्षा
to your
प्रोटोकॉल
hand.
बनाए रखें।
Aj factory flow. Subscribe.
The pressure screens are vital. By monitoring the gauges and clearing the reject lines, we ensure the banknote pulp meets the
is. The cotton slurry undergoes vacuum filtration. The resulting fiber mat is rapidly dried at a 5 degrees Celsius. Its moisture content.
The operator takes a critical sample. As the brightness levels approach their target of 82%, the process
हाँ, फ्रीनेस ज्यादा था, मैंने प्रेशर एडजस्ट कर दिया है। फ्लो चेक करते रहिए।
This machine drains at an incredible rate, nearly 4,200 liters every minute, a testament to the efficiency of the vacuum system.
clarity verified. The portrait silhouette density is correct. The cylinders rotate rapidly, transferring the intricate guilloche pattern to the security paper. As the sheet With a viscosity of 85 Pascal seconds, the honey-like ink adheres to the engraved recesses, while the doctor blade ensures a clean scrape.
Tactile feature verified for 500 rupee Mahatma Gandhi portrait.
The heated die descends, applying the holographic security strip to the 500 rupee note with surgical precision.
At production speed, the verification station uses lasers and LEDs to check the hologram sequence, optically variable ink.
Tactile feature for 500 rupees verified.
This ultraviolet inspection system checks for critical security features. The software automatically counts the glowing fibers, verifying
Microprint clear and legible on 500 rupee note. Latent image 500 present and functional. The software automatically compares the captured surface data to the official reference file. RMS deviation 1.2 microns within specification.
The system analyzes 112 quality parameters in just 0.02 seconds, ensuring only ATM fit currency.
Ten stacks of 500 rupee notes, worth 5 lakh rupees, are compressed and sealed by the automatic bundler with a mechanical whirring sound.
Seal number RBI 1023475559 confirmed. Verified.
Maintained at a constant 20 degrees Celsius and 45% humidity, the vault protects billions in paper currency. "17, 18, 19, 20, 40 or 44 of the complete. Verify brick ID, RBI 5008741 Delta. Recorded. Signing now.
See how the security strip changes color. This new 500 note is genuine. And here is the rest of the payment.
ये आरबीआई के नए नोट हैं। सभी सुरक्षा विशेषताएं परफेक्ट हैं।
Thank you.